Question number 12, we need to simplify the expression cosecant t minus sine t over cotangent t. Just a reminder here that cosecant t is equal to the reciprocal of sine, and cotangent t is equal to cosine t over sine t. This is more useful because we have a sine here and we have a sine after we find the reciprocal of cosecant. So I'm going to plug the expressions here. So 1 over sine t minus sine t divided by cosine t over sine t. Now it will be beneficial if I can get rid of this sign and that sign. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply the numerator by sine t and then multiply the denominator by sine t. These will cancel immediately, and then I need to multiply or distribute. So this is going to be sine t over sine t minus sine t divided by cosine t. This is equal to, sine t times sine t here. So this is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine t times sine t is sine squared t over cosine t. So now I know that the numerator is equivalent to cosine squared t over cosine t. One of these is going to cancel with the cosine, and we will have the final answer to be cosine t. So this expression simplifies to cosine t. Number 13, we have 1 plus cotangent t over 1 plus tangent t. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1 plus cotangent is cosine over sine divided by 1 plus tangent is sine over cosine. So I'm going to work on the numerator by itself and the denominator by itself and then combine them at the very end. So the numerator is equal to 1 plus cosine t divided by sine t. I need to have a common denominator, so I will multiply with sine t here and divide by sine t. So the numerator becomes sine plus cosine sine t plus cosine t divided by sine t. So that is the numerator. The denominator, I will do it in a different color. So denominator is equal to 1 plus sine t over cosine t. So I will need to have the same denominator as well. So I'm going to multiply the 1 by cosine t, and I will divide by cosine t. So this is going to become cosine t plus sine t divided by cosine t. Now I'm going to divide numerator divided by denominator. So this will become sine t plus cosine t over sine t, that is the numerator, divided by the denominator, cosine t plus sine t over cosine t. Now we know division turns into multiplication of reciprocals, so this is going to become sine t plus cosine t over sine t times cosine t over cosine t plus sine t. Notice how these two expressions are the same, so both of them will cancel. You will end up with cosine t over sine t, which is basically cosine over sine is cotangent. So the final answer is cotangent t. So this expression reduces to cotangent t.